hold you. Just
Yeah.
oh, it's like a video. Oh, okay. Hold hands together. There you go.
Oh, they want pictures?
No, we're fine. We're good.
You want to give you a couple? I'll throw them on just for you.
Later, maybe.
Okay. Get close to each other. Look at me. Over here.
Okay.
Get close. There
Yes.
you go. Dearly beloved, we are here assembled in the presence of God. You don't mind if I mention God, okay?
Do you mind?
No.
No. Dearly beloved, we are here assembled in the presence of God to unite Almog and Shira in holy matrimony. Marriage is to be a permanent relationship of one man and one woman, freely and totally committed to each other as companions for life. The Lord declared that man shall leave his father and mother and unite with his wife in building of a home, and the two shall become one flesh. The home is built upon love. Love is patient, love is kind, love does not envy, love does not boast, love is not proud, love is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil but rejoices with the truth. Love always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perseveres. You understand that? I want you to face each other. I'm going to ask you, Almog, will you take Shira to be your lawful wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Will you promise to love, honor, trust, and serve her in sickness and in health, in adversity and prosperity, and to be true, loyal, and faithful to her so long as you both children?
Yes, I do.
Shira, will you take Almog to be your lawful wedded husband?
I do.
Will you promise to love, honor, trust, and serve him in sickness and in health, in adversity and prosperity, and to be true, loyal, and faithful to him so long as you both children?
I do.
Okay. Do you have your wedding rings? Okay. This wedding ring symbolizes two things: the purity of white gold symbolizes the purity of your love for each other, and the unending circle symbolizes the unending vows that you are taking tonight that may be broken honorably in the sight of God only by death. As a token of your love, you may give and receive this ring to each other. Okay. Almog, you will be the first one. Okay, repeat after me. Say, Shira,
Shira,
with this ring,
with this ring,
I thee wed.
I do wed.
I promise to love
I promise to love
and honor you.
and honor you,
Stand by your side,
stand by your side,
cherish,
cherish,
and cling to you always,
and cling to you always,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
Go ahead. And kiss the ring. Kiss the ring there.
Me?
Yeah. There you go. Alma,
Almog,
with this ring,
with this ring,
I thee wed.
I be wed.
I promise to love
I promise to love
and honor you.
and honor you.
Stand by your side,
Stand by your side.
cherish,
Cherish
and cling to you always,
and cling to you
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both share.
Okay.
Rätta mig för bästa och för världssaker att man känner så.
Okay, good. Okay. Since you made this commitment before me and before God and before this witness by the power vested in me by the state of Nevada, I declare you, Almog, and Shira as husband and wife. You are no longer two independent persons but one. You may now kiss your bride.
Thank you.
Presenting Mr. and Mrs. Almog and Shira Shani.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. God bless
Thank
you.
you.
God bless you.
God bless you. Thank you. Great.
Okay,
Oh,
that's
look at
good.
that.